Hello, collective. Let's pull a card and let's see what is today's gift or blessing and today's affirmation. Yan. Tingnan natin, ano ba yung magiging biyaya nitong araw na to at ano yung magiging affirmation ngayong araw na ito. Ang na-pick natin is invoke. So today's gift is about detox. Ayan. A detox is needed to cleanse your mind, body, and soul of any impurities. Let go of anything that no longer serves you and allow space for new and nurturing growth to fill your being. Even though there may still be some cold and frosty days ahead, you can now be sure the worst is behind you. Yan. So, ang keyword or ang blessing today is the chance to reset, to restart, and to detox. And put the past behind you. Ang affirmation mo naman today, collective, is affirmation, I am rejoicing in new beginnings. So, let's embrace kung ano yung mga bagong pagkakataon, ano itong reset na ito, ano itong bagong chance na ipinagkakaloob sa atin. It's a blessing na every day we get the opportunity na makapagsimula ulit, na nabibiyayaan tayo ng panibagong bukas, ng panibagong pag-asa, pagkakataon na magsimula uli, makabangon, pagkakataon na ano ba tawag dito? Baguhin or ituwid yung mga pagkakamali natin. Okay? So, yan. Maraming salamat. And don't forget to like, share this reading. Also, don't forget to like and follow this page. Take care, babush!